What's this that has people scratching their heads and buzzing all at once? This interview has the potential to alter your entire perception of Tesla's future. But let's briefly set the scene before we get into this shocking news. Tesla, a brand associated with upheaval and innovation in the automotive industry, is in the news once more. Elon Musk's bold claims and skyrocketing stock prices have made Tesla's path nothing short of a wild trip. However, what if I told you that this story is not as simple as it seems? Something that would raise the trajectory of Tesla to a whole new level. This shocking discovery was made in a historic interview with Adam Jonas of Morgan Stanley, a man well known for his optimistic forecasts and steadfast support of Tesla. It caused a stir within the Tesla community. However, what was mentioned in this interview that stunned enthusiasts and stockholders? What novel discoveries might alter the course of affairs for Tesla and its investors? Put on your seatbelts and get ready for an exciting adventure because you're about to find out. Keep checking back as we reveal the details from this interview with Morgan Stanley that have the power to drastically alter Tesla's trajectory and global standing. Don't let this exciting revelation pass you by. However, first let me see you press the like and subscribe buttons, and don't forget to sound the alert. Let's get started, and welcome to Tesla Stock News. In a thrilling move, Tesla has disclosed a hidden route that might raise the company's stock price by a factor of 15. The disclosure has attracted the attention of investors and industry insiders, leading to a significant inquiry from Morgan Stanley. The company's analyst, Adam Jonas, upgraded Tesla to overweight and changed the price target from $1,250 to an astounding $1,400. You may now be asking yourself, who else is this pro-Tesla optimist? Seeking Alpha, our friends, are right there with you. For all things related to Elon Musk, Tesla, innovation, stock price targets, and more, Seeking Alpha is your one-stop shop. Don't be swayed by the mainstream media's negative coverage of Tesla. This is the best pro-Tesla news source online. Click the description link to visit Seeking Alpha, and you'll be surprised by what you find there. For you, they have a unique Black Friday bargain. The best sale ever is this one. Adam Jonas outlines the rationale for his optimistic assessment of Tesla's future possibilities. He emphasizes the importance of Tesla's Dojo supercomputer, speculating that it might add as much as $500 billion to the company's economic value. With the potential to revolutionize the auto industry as a software, as a service offering, the increased adoption of mobility, including the deployment of robotaxis and network services, would result in this enormous value addition. Although Tesla presently has about 400,000 cars with fully autonomous driving capabilities, Jonas also notes that significant cost savings may result from continuous improvements to the Dojo supercomputer and advancements in next-generation chips. Expert assistance is recommended when addressing the complicated issues surrounding Tesla's remarkable growth. Fortunately, our friends at Seeking Alpha are an excellent resource for learning about these and other complex topics. Particularly when Black Friday draws near, click the link in the description to take advantage of the best deal and a special offer. Adam Jonas is renowned for his unshakable optimism about Tesla's future, having given the company continually high ratings and aggressive price predictions. In this research, he presents an especially alluring forecast. The talk about Tesla's possible expansion will captivate readers as it delves into the fascinating notion that the company's Dojo supercomputer might raise its market worth by an astounding $500 billion. The paper also hints at other exciting approaches Morgan Stanley has found that Tesla can use to make significant profits. This will pique viewers' interest in finding out more about Tesla's possible revenue streams. The story also starts to focus more on Tesla's developing business plan, which goes beyond simply producing automobiles. Selling batteries, power electronics, charging infrastructure, and of course the incredibly lucrative fully autonomous and self-driving technology are all part of this strategic change. According to the paper, investors might be undervaluing Tesla's wider goals and possibilities. Now that we've discussed the need for charging infrastructure, let's compare how effective supercharging stations are in various areas. This broadens the discussion and emphasizes the significance of Tesla's charging network. Imagine now that over the course of the next 10 years, Tesla may transform into an entirely different firm. It is portrayed as a game-changing possibility that Tesla will improve its processors, cut costs, and advance autonomous driving technology more quickly than its rivals. Adam Jonas highlights three crucial areas for Tesla's valuation recovery. The company must successfully deploy new cars like the Cybertruck, match Wall Street consensus expectations, and transition its business model to include software licensing services and robot taxis. Because it offers prospects for growth and income, the introduction of new cars is a key factor in Tesla's valuation recovery. Customers and investors are particularly interested in the Cybertruck, an electric pickup truck that is greatly anticipated. In addition to increasing Tesla's market share and sales in the car sector, the Cybertruck's successful introduction would enhance the company's standing as a cutting-edge and disruptive force. The introduction of new cars can excite the market and draw in new buyers, which will improve Tesla's earnings and price. The strategy change that Tesla has made towards software licensing services and robot taxis may have a significant effect on the company's valuation. Over time, recurring revenue streams from software licensing and services can improve Tesla's financial stability and valuation. Autonomous robot taxis and fully self-driving (FSD) technology have the power to transform the transportation sector and open up new business options. Tesla can expand its market potential by reaching out to industries other than auto sales through the monetization of its FSD capabilities and autonomous driving services. This change is in line with the larger trend of electric car makers becoming integrated mobility service providers rather than just hardware providers, which can lead to greater valuations because of the variety of revenue streams. Crucial elements of Tesla's plan to spur valuation recovery include meeting Wall Street consensus projections, effectively introducing new cars like the Cybertruck, and changing its revenue model to include software licensing services like robotaxis. These areas show that Tesla can meet financial targets and also set up the company for long-term growth and revenue diversification, which can boost analysts' and investors' assessments of the company's long-term valuation. With all of these, Tesla is solidified as a contemporary marvel and a relative newbie to the very competitive auto sector. However, what if you were able to track down the next Tesla? Now introduce yourself to Seeking Alpha and their unique, potent tool. Using their stock screener, you could be able to find top stocks with promising long-term growth. Consider the opportunity to find the next Tesla before prices explode. While we examine Tesla's most recent developments, keep in mind that Seeking Alpha can serve as your first port of call for the next major investment opportunity. The largest and best deal ever, a special Black Friday discount, is available by clicking the link in the description. According to a recent analysis by Morgan Stanley analyst Adam Jonas, Tesla's stock is expected to rebound after a large sell-off. But in order for this recovery to happen, the carmaker must show that it can go into high-margin industries outside the production of cars. It's important to keep in mind that with Tesla's shares currently selling at about $220, the company's stock price has dropped to barely 5 times the earnings predicted for 2024. Its previous performance, when it frequently demanded forward price-to-earnings (PE) ratios above 100, is strikingly different from this. Increasing sentiment or enhancing short-term performance inside the core auto business alone won't be enough to propel the stock's comeback, according to Jonas. Tesla needs to move to more consistent and recurring revenue streams, such software and services, in order to see a long-term recovery. This change is significant since it improves the company's financial viability and complies with changing consumer expectations. Morgan Stanley believes that as Tesla moves away from its formerly highly valued automotive focus, it may still come under pressure. If Tesla can successfully move towards more capital-light revenue streams, software services, and licensing, in particular, it will have a bright future. 2 essential tactics are needed to achieve this transformation: growing the user base quickly and exploring markets outside of regular auto point-of-sale transactions. Several analysts have pointed out that Tesla's Q3 results, which disappointed on a number of performance indicators, were a major setback for the company's optimistic forecast. In order for sentiment to turn around again, Tesla needs to change its focus significantly. Due to its historical heavy reliance on one-time car sales, the company has a high capital By the early 2030s, Morgan Stanley predicts that the number of monthly active Tesla users would have increased tenfold, from about 5 million at present to about 50 million. The company also emphasizes the enormous potential of Tesla's $500 billion Dojo supercomputer. Morgan Stanley has already highlighted the revenue possibilities associated with Tesla's supercomputer, which has caused stock prices to rise. This is not the first time this has happened. According to Morgan Stanley, Dojo, Tesla's artificial intelligence network that uses video footage to train self-driving cars, has the potential to help the company expand beyond the selling of cars and into the incredibly profitable software services sector. It will make neural net training a critical step in the development of AI systems, faster and more affordable. Dojo leverages billions of item names, depth velocity data, and road scenarios from Tesla's extensive real-world data set. Dojo is a software platform as well as a hardware project. It puts Tesla in a position to provide its supercomputer and AI services to other businesses and sectors, making comparisons to Amazon Web Services, which is a significant driver of growth and revenue for Amazon. According to Morgan Stanley, Dojo has the potential to bring in up to $15 billion in revenue annually for Tesla by 2030, and its long-term potential is significantly higher. Dojo is an ambitious initiative that fits nicely with Tesla's goal of continuously hitting its financial targets. Other tactics include introducing robotaxis and extending Tesla's model selection beyond the Model S, X3, and Y with the impending release of the Model 2 Cybertruck. One should not undervalue the effect that a vehicle launch such as the Cybertruck has on consumer attitude. Jonas thinks that expanding beyond its current focus as an automobile is essential to Tesla's future success. For the next 6 to 12 months, his company will keep a close eye on any indications that the business model is changing. These indicators will include capital-light projects like software and licensing that are relevant to markets other than autos. Most importantly, this change is thought to be essential for Tesla to raise the value of its stock. According to Jonas, investors will want verifiable proof that Tesla is connected to the AI theme, and the stock's upward trajectory will rely on Tesla meeting one or more of these game-changing benchmarks. Well, this would be the end of it now. Thus, we've started an intriguing adventure exploring the world of Tesla and its prospects for expansion and innovation in the future. We've looked at the potential futures for this massive player in electric vehicles, from Morgan Stanley's bullish forecasts to the revolutionary potential of Tesla's Dojo supercomputer. It's time for us to hear from you, dear viewers. Do you think that Tesla's future is looking brightly, like Morgan Stanley does? Do you find the idea that Tesla's Dojo supercomputer may completely transform the industry intriguing? We would adore hearing from you. Post your ideas in the comments section below. If you liked this in-depth look at Tesla's possibilities, please consider liking this video and subscribing to Tesla Stock News to receive more fascinating updates on Tesla and the most recent advancements in the electric car market. We appreciate you being here today, and we hope to see you in the upcoming video.